We have Andrei and Oliver here from Fenster. Thank you so much for joining us, Oliver, on our screen. Andrei, Fenster was in charge of actually manufacturing this complex glass facade, engineered in collaboration with Skyon. Frankly, working with this much of glass seems like an accident waiting to happen. How do you ensure that everything goes as planned with a project of this magnitude?
Okay, first of all, I want to thank you for this kind invitation here. And about this project, yeah, it was very nice work, and we made all the preparation and made everything to make the damages less. And but during the whole period, we get broke glasses in this project. But I think that Oliver was mostly involved to this work, and he could explain a little more for us.
Yeah, Oliver, please.
Yes, as Andrei told, I think the biggest thanks goes to our team, Fenster. We have all the needed resources in-house, and we have a lot of experience. We work with professionals, we have good constructors who solve problems. And yeah, it comes down to minimalizing the damage, and this is due to good preparation. And in close collaboration with Skyon, we managed to minimize the damage.
What were some of the biggest challenges or lessons you took away and can apply in your future projects, maybe? Andrei, what would you say?
I think that the main thing was we make this project in the center of the city. And there we don't have practically any space, because it was very difficult to coordinate everything if you have the approximately 1-2 meters across the building, because the logistics was awful. It's every day we send to the building sites 1-2 trucks, and we unloaded it during the 15-20 minutes. In the beginning it was very difficult, but on the last floors was faster and faster, and the guys were, like I said before, made very beautiful and very nice work.
That's so interesting to hear. Oliver, would you like to add something? What were your challenges or lessons from this project? What would you say?
Definitely one of the biggest challenges was the architects had drawn in the triangle glasses. There was not very symmetrical shapes in this building. So our professionals in-house had to use our professionalism to find all the best solutions to realize the project.
Thank you so much, guys. You have done an amazing job.